Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So today again we are here for learning science. So let's start our today's lecture. I am your science teacher Mubassira Miss from Mahdi School and we learning plants as food in lesson number 4. So our today's topic is pulses we eat. Lesson number 4, plant as food, and today's topic is pulses we eat. So let's start our today's lecture with one beautiful line, that your best teacher is your last mistake. So when you do any work and if there is any mistake of you, then you can learn from this mistake. So this mistake teach you that next time when you do that work, you be careful because of that mistake. That's why your mistake is your best teacher. So we learn from our mistakes. So when we do any mistake, don't be scared, because the mistake teach us how to be careful next time. So let's start our today's topic, that pulses. Before that, let's revise what we learned in previous lecture. So yesterday we learned about cereals we eat, and we all know that we learning about food from plant in this lesson. Our lesson number 4, in this lesson we learn about food we get from plant. So we already learn about fruits and vegetables and other parts of the plant which we eat. And yesterday we learned about cereals which we get from plant. So let's revise what we learned in previous lecture. So we learn about cereals. You can see here the cereals: wheat, rice, corn and many other. So what we learned yesterday? We learned that what are cereals? Plants which produce grains that can be eaten are called cereals. So some plants produce grains like wheat, rice, maize we eat. So not every plant produce grain, and not every grain we can eat, but the grains which we can eat are cereals. So here you can see the picture of cereals. The circle which you can see is cereal of the plant which we eat. Then we learn that where cereals grow. So cereals grow in land like all plants. Then we grow a wheat plant. So how we grow wheat plant? So first we pluck the land, because wheat are growing in field. We cannot grow wheat in pot. So how we pluck the land? You can see here that one bullock and in another picture you can see the tractor which plug the land. Now let's see when we plug the land how it looks. So you can see that land which plugged. Then we add seeds in land. So we need to add seeds after plug the land. Now let's see what happened. Then after we add seed in land, we need to water in the field. So how we watering the field? Because it is a big field or big land, so we cannot watering with bucket. So how we watering it? First, if there is a water from rain, then we cannot watering the plant because it's already rain there. If there is a no rain, then we watering like that with fountains and with pipe. So we learn that how we watering plant in farm. Then what happen when you watering the plant? The small plants start growing. You can see here the small plants of wheat which start growing. Then the green wheat grow, which we also eat. We called it winter wheat. So here is the one type of wheat which we eat. Then you can see here wheat plants start dry. So after then it will dry, we can take out the wheat from it, which we learned yesterday. So here is a plant of wheat which we grow. Then we take out from the land and make a bunch, and then we get wheat. Second cereal is rice. So here you can see the picture of rice which we learned yesterday. Then we see the rice plant. Then we learn about corn yesterday. See the plant of corn. Then we learn that how cereals we use in our food. Wheat we use in form of flour. We make a roti from this. So we learn that we use wheat in our food 3 times in a day. How we use? Here you can see the different types of chapatis. We can also make bread from wheat. Then we use in breakfast, lunch and dinner. How we use rice in our food as a proper meal. Then how we use maize or corn in our food. We make a soup of it. Then we eat. So we learned yesterday cereals we eat wheat, rice and corn. Now today we learn about pulses which we eat. First we need to know what is pulses. You can see here the picture of one dessert which we eat, which made from wheat flour, which we learned yesterday. So our today's topic is pulses. Pulses, it is a seeds which we eat. We learn about pulses today. It is also part of the plant and we get pulses from plant. How we get, we learn today. So here you can see the picture. In this picture, here is a chickpea, rajma or kidney beans and many other pulses. So first we need to learn what are pulses. Seeds of plants that can be eaten are called pulses. Not every plant's seed we can eat. Some seeds we can eat. So that seeds which eaten are called pulses, which we use as a proper meal in our food. So seeds of plants that can be eaten are called pulses. like we cannot eat seed of mango. So some seeds we can eat. That seed is pulses. Now let's see which are they. So here you can see the different type of pulses. In this you can see one cereal also. Which cereal is there? Rice. So let's see example of pulses. First example is chickpea. This we use in our food also. So let's see chickpea plant. You can see here the two picture. It is a plant of chickpea, and we eat green chickpea also and dry chickpea also. So in one picture you can see the small plant of chickpea. You can see yesterday we learned about cereals. Cereals plants are also small, and the pulses plants are also small. They are not big like a tree. So here you can see the picture of chickpea plant. We also eat green chickpea. We roast it and eat at our house. So we eat green chickpea in winter. Now it is a growth of chickpea plant. You can see the flowers are also there. So when it start growing, after flower you can see the green chickpea is there, and when it dry we use in our house as a proper meal. You can see the flowers of chickpea and the dry chickpea also. The whole plant become dry, then we take out the chickpea from it, and we also eat green chickpea. Some plants we take out when it is a green, and some plants we left there for drying. Here you can see the two pictures of chickpea, and third picture is of brown chickpea. So there is a three types of chickpea. You can see here white, green and brown. So that green chickpea is not dry. When the brown chickpea we get after the plant become dry. So there are three types of chickpea. Now how we use chickpea as a food? So here you can see the whole chickpeas also and the flour of chickpea also. Now how we use it in our food? I know that you all are intelligent and you know that how we use it. But let's see how we use it. So here you can see the chickpea as a proper meal. We make a different type of dishes from this, and we also use as a salad or diet food in our meal. So here is a different type of food which we get from plant, and we use chickpea as a food in our meal. So remember that we use chickpea as a proper meal also. We make many things from chickpea. We also make a salad from chickpea. It is a very healthy for our body, and it gives nutrients to the body. And one more thing, that many animals are also eat this food, and the animal like horse is eat chickpeas for their health. So like that we can also eat this chickpea in our food, and it is a very healthy food because if you eat 5 or 6 chickpea in morning, it give a good nutrients to your body. Here is some dishes which we make from chickpea flour. Like we make a flour of wheat also, we make a flour of rice also, like that we make a flour of chickpea also, and we make a many different type of dishes from the flour. So we can make a spicy dishes also, and we make a sweet dishes also from this flour. So you can see here that the sweet dish from this flour and spicy dish from this flour. We also make a bread from this flour. So now you can understand that how we use chickpea or pulse from plant we eat in our food. Now let's see second example of pulses. It is a kidney beans. So you can see here red color, it's look like a seeds. So this is the kidney beans which we grow as a plant, and we get it from plant. So let's learn about kidney beans. Now here you can see the plant of kidney beans. In one picture you can see the plant with kidney beans. So in second picture you can see that how it looks when we take out from the plant. So like wheat or like rice or like chickpea, kidney beans also grow in land, and the plant of kidney bean is different from the wheat plant or chickpea plant. You can see the leaf of the plant is big. So it is a pulse, but it's different from other plant. Now let's see the growth of kidney beans. Here you can see the start growing from seed. And you can see when it dry we take out the seeds for eat. So now you can understand the pulses and cereals are we eat when it became dry. The plant dry and we take out the seed of the plant. So there is a different type of kidney beans are available. So you can see here the growth of kidney bean plant. We also eat green kidney beans and we eat dry kidney beans. Now here you can see the types of kidney beans. Black kidney beans, red kidney beans and white kidney beans. These three of all we can eat in our food. Now let's see how we eat in our food. So here you can see the picture of kidney beans. So again, kidney bean is a very healthy food for our body because there are so many nutrients and so many vitamins are in kidney beans. So we eat as a diet food also, we eat as a proper meal also, and it gives energy to our body. So here you can see the two picture. In one picture it is a diet food And second picture you can see we eat with rice. So for our home we use as a proper meal in our food. We can also make a flour of kidney beans and we use in making bread also and making other dishes also. But most often we use as a diet food and as a proper meal. So we can use it in lunch also, in dinner also. We also use other types of kidney beans in our food. We make a proper gravy of it and we eat. We also boil it and eat in our food. So again the pulses are very healthy food for our body. So it gives energy to our body. Next example is peas. Now here you can see the picture of green peas. And I know that you all know that we eat in our food as a proper meal. So here is the picture of green peas, and many people are eat raw beans also as a peas. So now we learn about peas, and it is a pulses of plant. So you can see here the seeds. We learn that some plants give us seeds, and that seeds we called pulses. So you can see here the seed which is the pulses, peas. Now let's learn about peas. Here you can see the picture of plant of peas. So today we see these pictures like a wheat plant, like a chickpea plant and kidney bean plant, and this is a peas plant. So you can identify the difference between plants, that kidney bean plant is different from peas plant and from wheat plant. So here is two pictures. In one picture you cannot see the seed of plant, and in second picture you can see the seed of plant. So it is a peas plant. Here is a growth of pea plant. So again we are eating both type of peas, dry peas also and green peas also. So you can see here the growth of plant. When it become dry we can also eat. How we eat in our food we learn in this lecture. Types of peas. So here you can see the two picture. One is green and second is yellow. So the second picture you can see it is a dry peas. So some of the farmers left the peas plant as it is in sunlight for drying. So when we make a dishes from these peas, we understand that how we eat dry peas and how we eat green peas. So let's see. Peas as a food. So here you can see the green peas which we use in making dishes. So many dishes we make from the peas. Here you can see the picture that we use peas in our food. Here is two dishes. One we eat with chapatis which we make from wheat flour. And second, we use peas in making rice. So here you can see that we use green peas in our body for growth. So let's see some more food we eat from peas. So here you can see the picture of two fast food which we eat. In these dishes we use peas in different way. In first dish we use dry peas, and second dish you can see we use green peas. So first dish you can see that the color of peas is yellow, when in second dish you can see the color of peas is green. So now you can understand that both type of peas we use in our food. So it is a pulses which we get from plant. So now you can understand that pulses we use as a proper meal also and in a fast food also. Here is a picture of some pulses which we eat. There is a kidney beans, then there is a peas also, then soya beans also, you can see chickpea also, you can see the two types of peas also, green dry peas also and yellow dry peas also. So like that we use pulses in our food, and these all are pulses. You can see black kidney beans and red kidney beans here, and the all pulses we eat in our food. So let's revise what we learned today. Today we learn about pulses we eat which we get from plants. So here you can see the picture of pulses. We see the different type of pulses. Then we learn that what are pulses. Seed of plants that can be eaten are called pulses. We learn that seeds which we can eat from the plant is pulses. Then we see the examples of pulses. Chickpea as a pulse. Then we see the plant of chickpea, growth of plant chickpea. Then we see the dry plant of chickpea also and green plant of chickpea also, because we eat both chickpea. Then we see the type of chickpeas. Chickpea as a food. We make many food from chickpea. We use as a proper meal also, and we make a sweet dish from the chickpea flour. Then we learn about kidney beans, plant of kidney beans, different types of kidney beans, how we use kidney beans in our food. Then we learn about peas, plant of peas, growth of plant peas, different type of peas which we eat in our food, how we use peas in our food as a proper meal also and as a fast food also. Then we learn that we can use dry peas also, and we also use green peas. We see the picture of some pulses here. So what we learned today? Pulses we eat. Peas, kidney beans and chickpea. Now I hope you understand that different parts of the plant which we can eat, and today we learn about pulses. So, I hope you understand that what are pulses. So, take care and stay healthy.